Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get your private key for your Trust wallet. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already installed the application? In case you have not, do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top left, you can see a button like this. Click on it right now. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, multitude of options. But right now, what you have to focus on is simply the wallets at the very top. Click on it, and right here, as you can see, this is my wallet. I'm simply gonna click on these three dots associated with it. Once you do that, as you can see, my secret phrase backups are active. Simply click on manual and just copy the secret codes. Once you do that, what you guys have to do is just go to this website right here. This is the website that you need to go to. Once you do that, simply scroll down, simply enter your phrases right here in this BIP39 mnemonic section. Scroll down and you can select the coin as well. I'm gonna fill out the details right here. Well, as you can see, I have entered my phrases. Now once you've done that, simply scroll down, and from here you can see the BIP32 extended private key, public key as well. But furthermore, scroll down, and right here the first thing you're gonna see is the derived address, and from here you can see your address along with the path. And guys, this is it. From here you can view your public key and the thing we're looking for, the private key. That is it, guys. That's how we get your private key for Trust Wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.